and today in this video we're going to be taking a look at this, which is the third Doctor's sonic screwdriver by RB Replicas, as used by John Pertwee. So yeah, it's quite nice. As you can see, we've got a really nice red halo here with the accurate bullet there, as you can see. Go down here with the conical bit there with the red strip. Then we've got the helter-skelter thing there. Then as we go down here, we've got the 3 lines. Then as we go down here, obviously to the handle, you can see the springs in there, and that. Got the accurate grub screw there, of course. So yeah, that's cool. Of course, just like all the RB's Sonics, it doesn't have sound, I'm afraid. It's a shame, but it is what it is, I suppose. But obviously it does pull down, so you can still do that. So of course the only probably issue I have is that obviously the handle didn't get the stuff put on that it's supposed to have. It's supposed to have like a lightsaber kind of hilt. If you're a Star Wars fan, you'll know what that is. But yeah, the lightsaber bit there, but he didn't put it on. So yeah, the sticker there is a little bit, well, it's off a bit there, look, as you can see, but apart from that, it's still a really, really beautiful replica anyway, so can't fault it, really. Yeah. So this is the character options toy, or at least one of them anyway, and that's what I mean by the lightsaber hilt there. Look, all these little patterns here is not on the replica, as you can see. And with this toy, this thing comes all the way up to the head, whereas that one, there's a little bit of give. I don't know which one's accurate. Again, I'm not too sure about the third Doctors. I haven't done much research on the third, if I'm honest with you. But yeah, obviously this one has the 2 sounds. But yeah, so obviously this one, that was just messing with the toy. But as you can see, the differences here between the real one and the metal one, sorry, and the toy one. So yeah, it is beautiful. I am glad I've got a 13th Doctor Sonic, actually, because it's one of my favourites. Of course, the other RB ones I have in my collection is obviously the RB War Sonic, which I've reviewed recently, and that's obviously got the pull down tag as well. There, and then obviously I've got the RB Wars as well, 8th, sorry, as well, which obviously has the halo just like this one, but I prefer the halo on the third than I do on this one. But yeah. So obviously there's, it's quite hard to do this actually, but the slight differences, as you can see, the bullets are a lot smaller on the third. It's the red halo. Oh, nice silver on the back of the third, which is good. And then as you go down, you can see that on the 8th it's all silver. This is gone. Well, it's tucked in actually at the moment. The lines have not been painted because they weren't on this one. You've got the brass there. And then the backs are different obviously as well. One's complex, the other one's basic, you know. But of course the major differences is with the war there, and the third, as you can see. So the bottoms on these are quite well, similar in the sense that they've both got that shear there. Obviously this one's got the fez on the bottom, but yeah, they're both lovely replicas anyway. Well, they're all lovely replicas actually. Well, that one's more like that, isn't it? So yeah, RB War, RB 8th, and my newest one, and definitely not my last one as well. I will be getting another one for damn sure. This is the RB's 4th Sonic. Did I say 4th? RB's 3rd Sonic there. So let me know in the comments down below which one is your favourite Sonic. Let me know in the comment down below which one's your favourite classic, which one's your favourite modern, what you prefer, what you know. And yeah, just please let me know. I've got a Colony Cream Aztec Sonic on the way from the Sonic Compendium. I've got my Roberto replicas 10th, 12th and 13th on the way as well, which I'll be doing a review of when they come. And a quick size comparison with all of my replicas in the order that I have them, with of course the toy versions of the 13th and 12th. Just as a quick comparison there, as you can see, 3rd, 8th, War Doctors, 11th, Roberto Replicas 11th, CO Toy 12th, CO Toy 720, sorry, 13th. Give you a nice little, that's my favourite mode, by the way, for the 12th. Give you a nice little, oh, lost the button there. Sorry, don't like flicking it. And then those ones. So that's all the ones I have so far. Well, minus the toys, obviously. Those are the only replicas I have until the other ones come. So yeah, stay tuned for my next video, which will hopefully be very, very soon. Don't have an estimated date, but hopefully it will be soon. And I'll, as always, give this a spin. There we go, still landed on the that there. From me and Stan, have a great time and enjoy the video. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you very much and take care. Goodbye.